Everybody, so we got another one for you about AI. So, has anybody heard of Agentic AI? This is my first time hearing about Agentic AI, so I want to talk about it with all of you and just figure out what it's all about. So, this article from NVIDIA is talking about Agentic AI, and it uses sophisticated reasoning and iterative planning to autonomously solve complex multi-step problems. So, is this like a ChatGPT or better? And if it's better, then should we not be using this instead of ChatGPT? So, but anyway, so let's find out more about it. So, AI chatbots use generative AI to provide responses based on a single interaction. A person makes a query, and the chatbot uses natural language processing to reply. Okay. The next frontier of artificial intelligence is agentic AI, which uses sophisticated reasoning and iterative planning to autonomously solve complex multi-step problems and is set to enhance productivity and operations across industries. I'm excited about this, and I'm trying to figure out how I can start using this right away. Agentic AI systems ingest vast amounts of data from multiple sources to independently analyze challenges, develop strategies, and execute tasks like supply chain optimization, cybersecurity, vulnerability analysis, and helping doctors with time consuming tasks. So let's see what this is all about. Sign in to confirm you're not a bot. Okay, so that's embarrassing. So I'm gonna have to do the watch this on YouTube. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear this. I really hope so.
To solve complex multi-step problems. AI agents help marketing campaigns go live faster with instant insights, helping optimize supply chain operations, saving hundreds of millions in costs, and reduce software security processes from days to seconds.
Wait. So what's actually happening right now? What's actually happening? Like, what's
Planet to
okay?
solve complex multi-step problems.
Okay.
AI agents.
Okay, so the request. I see you're opening live trends for 2025. Would you like to see what we created in 2024 as a reference?
Marketing campaigns go
Yes.
live faster.
Okay, retrieving the data source. Analytics agent provide insights including program, channel tactic, performance and sales growth opportunities and impact to inform going forward, program planning, and then performance optimization. Oh, so you take your information and you plug this into the
with
agentic AI,
helping optimize supply chain
NVIDIA AI enhanced. So this is a NVIDIA interface, and they're using a map.
saving hundreds of millions in costs and reduce software security processes.
Okay, so this one was.
My supply chain operations, saving hundreds of millions in costs and reduce.
All right, so this is a checklist, creating checklist. Check the SBM to see if the containers SBM contain Python binary before 3.114. Does the codebase contain the urlib parse function? Do any of the containers direct dependencies contain the vulnerable component URL lib? What functionality does URL lib library support?
Processes from days
Check if the codebase contains. Do any of the containers direct dependencies contain the component URL lib? Open source dependencies used by the container do not contain URL lib. Oh, so it's checking. So it's like you're putting all your code in this and it's checking the code for you. This is way bigger than ChatGPT. Like, and the thing is about this, like I'm looking at this now and I'm trying to figure out how I can incorporate this into my life. This right now seems like a function for big businesses, but if you can have this incorporated just into your life, if you can find a way, this would be huge.
What makes agentic AI so powerful is its ability to turn data into knowledge and knowledge into action. A digital agent, in this example, can educate individuals with insights from a set of informationally dense research papers.
Yeah.
It was built using NVIDIA AI Blueprints. These are reference workflows featuring NVIDIA acceleration libraries, SDKs, and NIM microservices that help you rapidly build and deploy AI apps. The multimodal PDF data extraction blueprint helps build a data ingest pipeline, while the digital human blueprint provides smooth, human-like interactions. Hi, I'm James. A digital agent ingests PDF.
Wait, so that James is obviously not a human, it's an agent. Okay, but now comes the question of how do we use this? This is a research assistant. I've heard about these, but now it's like, how do we use this to our advantage?
Research papers, including complex data like images, charts, and tables, and generates a high-level summary delivered through an interactive digital human interface. What an exciting breakthrough in weather forecasting. The development of Cortif, a new generative model, is a significant step forward in accurately predicting weather patterns. By combining the UNet.
Okay, so This is cool. I mean, this reminds me of Spark Notes, but with just somebody who's now talking because okay, so like it's pretty good at summarizing information, but sometimes we don't need the information summarized. We actually need the whole information because if we keep on taking information and summarizing and summarizing and summarizing it, then what was the point of getting the information in the first place? But I do see how this is unique because if you needed to summarize information to somebody else, this is unique because we all information makes the world go round, you know, because you need like information, then you turn it to the data, information, then action. So you do need information, and I understand how this is like cool, but I'm trying to figure out if they already have this out right now.
With a diffusion model. James can also answer questions or generate new content based on the papers. NVIDIA AI gives enterprises the power to automate processes, tap into real-time insights, and enhance workflow efficiency.
Okay, so that was a very important thing that they said, which is it gives enterprises the option to optimize workflow. So this is more of like a B2B kind of thing. Well, let's figure out how it works. So how does agentic AI work? Agentic AI uses a four-step process for problem solving. Perceive AI agents gather and process data from various sources, such as sensors, database, and digital interfaces. This involves extracting meaningful features, recognizing objects, or identifying relevant entities in the environment. Reason, a large language model acts as the orchestrator or reasoning engine that understands the task, generates solutions, and coordinates specialized models for specific functions like content creation, vision processing, or recommendation settings. This step uses techniques like retrieval augmented generation to access proprietary data sources and deliver accurate, relevant outputs. By integrating with external tools and software via application programming interfaces, agentic AI can quickly execute tasks based on the plans it has formulated. Guardrails can be built into AI agents to help ensure they execute tasks correctly. For example, a customer service AI agent may be able to process claims up to a certain amount, while claims above the amount would have to be approved by a human. Learn. Agentic AI continuously improves through a feedback loop or a data flywheel where the data generated from its interactions is fed into the system to enhance models. This ability to adapt and become more effective over time offers businesses a powerful tool for driving better decision making and operational efficiency. Okay, yes, obviously. We don't need you to tell us that. How much more to this article is there? All right. Okay, so where were we? So fueling agentic AI with enterprise data. Across industries, and job functions, generative AI is transforming organizations by turning vast amounts of data into actionable knowledge, helping employees work more efficiently. AI agents build on this potential by accessing diverse data through accelerated AI query engines, which process, store, and retrieve information to enhance generative AI models. A key technique for achieving this is RAG, which allows AI to tap into a broader range of data sources. So RAG again is what? What is the RAG? Retrieval augmented generation, which is the reasoning engine that understands tasks and generates solutions that coordinate specialized models for specific functions. Okay. Okay, so that allows the AI to tap into a broader range of data sources. And then over time, the AI agents learn and improve by creating a data flywheel. Okay. The end-to-end NVIDIA AI platform, including NVIDIA NeMo microservices, provides the ability to manage and access data efficiently, which is crucial for building responsive agentic AI applications. Agentic AI in action. The potential applications of agentic AI are vast, limited only by creative and expertise, from simple tasks like generating and distributing content to more complex use cases such as orchestrating enterprise software AI agents are transforming industries. Customer service. AI agents are improving customer support by enhancing several self-service capabilities, automating routine communications. Over half of service professionals report significant improvements in customer interactions, reducing response times and boosting satisfaction. And there's also growing interest in digital humans, AI-powered agents that embody a company's brand and offer lifelike real-time interactions to help sales representatives answer customer queries or solve issues directly when call volumes are high. Content creation. Agentic AI can help quickly create high quality, personalized marketing content. Generative AI agents can save marketers an average of 3 hours per content piece, allowing them to focus on strategy and innovation. By streamlining content creation, businesses can stay competitive. Software engineering. AI agents are boosting developer productivity by automating repetitive coding tasks. Okay, so software engineers are gone. That's basically what that says. It's projected that by 2030, AI could automate up to 30% of work hours, freeing developers to focus on more complex challenges and drive innovation. Healthcare. For doctors analyzing vast amounts of medical, this is a really big deal. Healthcare right here. Medical and patient data. AI agents can distill critical information to help them make better informed care decisions. Automating administrative tasks and capturing clinical notes and patient appointments reduces the burden of time consuming tasks, allowing doctors to focus on developing a doctor patient connection. So, how do we get started? With its ability to plan and interact with a wide variety of tools and software, Agentic AI marks the next chapter of artificial intelligence, offering the potential to enhance productivity. Okay, but where do we get started? To accelerate the adoption of generative AI powered applications and agents, NVIDIA Blueprints provides sample applications, reference code, sample data, tools, and comprehensive documentation. NVIDIA partners, including Accenture, are helping enterprises use agentic AI solutions built with NVIDIA Blueprints. So it sounds like they don't have anything out right now, and they're making this open source so that way somebody else can add on to it and hopefully figure out how to do this. Okay, well, if you like learning about agentic AI and all AI stuff, just like, comment, let me know how I did, let me know what you think, and also add your perspective on things. I want to hear from you as well because I'm joining the public discourse and I want to contribute to the conversation. Okay, bye everybody.